Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily clear Facebook cache on your iPhone 16e. So first, what you guys want to do is head over to settings and now go to general. Here you need to click on iPhone storage and now find Facebook. As you guys can see, it's right here. And the first way to do that is to click offload app, and that will free up space without losing data, or you can delete the app and reinstall it to fully clear the cache. As you guys can see, after we click the offload app, now we have to reinstall the app. Also, the data and documents are still present on the iPhone and are not deleted. So how to delete them? Basically click on delete app. And as you guys can see, deleting this app will also delete its data. So now click on delete. And now what you guys want to do is head over to App Store and now search for Facebook. After you do that, simply install it again. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.